Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the KART build. In part 1 we fully welded the chassis, mounted the engine, fired it up for the first time and even built the steering system. If you missed that episode, hit the link up in the top right corner. Alright, let's jump into today's progress. First up, the pedals. We grabbed this piece from an old bike to use as a gas and brake pedal. After a few tweaks, it actually works surprisingly well. The only problem is the aluminium pedal itself isn't nearly as strong as we'd like, so version 2 is going to be made out of steel pipe instead. Here's a prototype working, but the stronger steel version will replace it once it's painted. Next, the chassis. It started showing a bit of surface rust already, so we gave it a fresh coat of paint and of course we filmed a nice time lapse for you guys to enjoy. And finally, the steering wheel. We really wanted to make an F1 like steering wheel out of wood, but it ended up breaking on us twice. So instead of risking it again, we swapped it for the steering wheel from our donor quad. And honestly, it fits the build really nice. So here's the finished progress for today's episode. We're getting really close, and if everything goes to plan, in the next part this kart will finally be driving. Stay tuned, it's going to be epic. Enjoy!